Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this bronze coppery brown makeup look. I was thinking of doing looks for New Year's, and I always think of metallics, and I came across a few bronze colors and thought they would look great together. To start this look, I used some tape to tape off the edges for a clean look when it's removed. Then I'm using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. Here I'm using the chestnut brown color and I'm putting it in the outer corners and the crease. Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette for the lighter kind of golden brown color. And I'm going to be using this to blend out the chestnut brown. Next, using the Warrior 2 palette again, I'm using the darker kind of reddish brown and putting that in the outer corners. Next, I'll be using the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette for the shade Deja Vu. This is a kind of reddish brown coppery color, and I'm putting this on the outer corners of the lid. Next, I use the Juvia's Place Warrior palette for the bronze brown sparkly shade, and I put this on the middle of the eyelid. Then using the Norvina palette again, I'm going to be using the shade Summer, which is a light gold color. And I'm putting this in the inner corners. Then I add a little bit more brown to the outer corners that we used previously. Then I remove the tape and clean up any edges. Then I take a little bit of the bronze color and put it under the eye as well. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes. For the lips, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Lip Gloss in the shade Freestyle. This is sort of a light tan, sparkly lip gloss. And that completes our bronze brown, sparkly, metallic makeup look. I think these are great colors if you want a metallic sparkly look but still want to keep neutral colors. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.